Hi folks, and welcome to Dutchy Cooking. Today we're going to bring you some exciting news. Following a good friend of mine, Tom, who runs Barbecue Life UK, I'll put a link in down below for him, his announcement that he's going to do a series of burger around the world. That got me thinking I should be doing something of my own. So today I'm going to announce that we're going to be doing the world of curry. So we're going to take on the world of curry. So we'll probably start off in places like India, Pakistan, we'll cross Asia, into China, Japan, we'll go in through Africa, across through Europe, of course stopping in the UK to do some British Indian restaurant style curries. Then we'll go over the pond, we'll go over to the Caribbean and places like that. This is going to be a great journey. We're looking to do one curry a month, and where possible we'll be cooking on live fire with cast iron. If there's any curries you'd like to see cooked, just leave your idea in the comments below, or you can email me. The email is also in the description. So thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell. That way you'll get notifications of when these videos are dropping.